Hi everyone, it's Phil here from Findability, and today we're going through the website design case study for Hart Bowen Therapy. So what you're seeing here is what we started with. This is Matt's existing site, and I'm just taking you through the information that we are working with. We didn't change a lot of the information, we've just laid it out in a better way that is more friendly to search engines, and I think it's a more user-friendly way of reading this information. It's an easy site, it's not complex, there's no huge moving parts to it, so it was easy enough for us to take what we had and then build something from it. There was an About Us page, a contact page, which is pretty simple. There are sections for our blog or latest news. And there's a section for men's support, which is something else that Matt does alongside his Bowen Therapy. Matt is based in Ocean Grove, Victoria, which has a huge surfing community, so we wanted to appeal to that in our branding. We start with the brand story and figure out what the mission and the values of the company are and the vision of what they're looking to achieve. We already had some words that Matt had figured out that he wanted to use on his site, the key messages and the ideal client pain points that he wanted to address throughout the site. There was a logo in place already. All we did was tidy it up a bit and give it some more room to breathe. We always make some different color variations for the screen and for print. We also do some other mock-ups of other variations for a square and for icon or / symbol. Another important thing to figure out is typography. What's the display font, the serif font for headings, the sans serif font for the body copy, and the script font that we use in our hero images. In order to achieve the high impact visuals we were looking for, we used stock footage from some surfers, and basically we then turned that footage into imagery to use on the site. We can then also use that footage on social media and on the website down the track. Once we have all our assets, we can then lay them out on a page and make sure the client's happy with it before we actually start building the website. And that's what we've done here. We built 4 pages for the client to review. And once they were happy with that, we were then able to then slice it all up and then convert it into our website. So here we have it. It's a very contemporary design, lots of large imagery, lots of big print on the screen, very easy to read for anyone of any age to understand what's going on. We've integrated Matt's preferred social media platform, which is Instagram. We've laid out the page. It's fairly easy to find out what Bowen Therapy is, experience a new kind of therapy, scroll through the pages and see what information is on the screen. Again, very easy to scroll through, large text, lots of open space and easy to understand, and lots of beautiful imagery that makes it compelling to continue forward throughout the site. In the frequently asked questions section, we built a table of contents that will grow over time. Each time someone clicks on a question, it'll take them down to the answer. There's a summary and they can then click through to read the full length version of the answer. They can book a session from every page essentially, which will then take them to Matt's booking platform and then look at other questions available. In the section about Matt Hart, we built more information about his love of gardening as well as surfing, and included previous videos that he had on his old site as well. We included a latest news section that Matt can add content to at his own pace, and easily enough for anyone to look at that and scroll through and see all the text there and Matt's signature at the bottom. And finally, a contact page, which basically has all the information of where to find Matt, how to get in touch with him, and to book a session through the website. And that's our site. Thanks for watching.